Hello, kinder students. How are you? So here we are again with another story. This one is called One Fox. So look at this animal here. Is it a bird? No, it isn't. Is it a dog? Woof, woof. No, it isn't. Is it a cat? Meow. No, it isn't. What animal is it? Yes, it's the fox. Very good. Is this fox red? No, it isn't. Is this fox purple? No, it isn't. This fox is, what color is this fox? Yes, it's brown. Now, look here. Here we've got one fox, one famished fox. This fox is very, 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 very hungry. And this fox has got, look, 1, 2 sly eyes. Have you got 2 eyes? Yes, we all have 2 eyes. 1, 2. Very good. Now, look here. We've got 1, 2, 3 hens. Look at this first hen. What color is this hen? Is it a red hen? No, it isn't. Is it a blue hen? No, it isn't. Is it a yellow hen? Yes, it is. It is yellow. Very good. Now look at this hen. Is this a yellow hen? No, it isn't. Is this a purple hen? No, it isn't. Is it a brown hen? Yes, it is. It is brown. And look at this third hen. Is it a yellow hen? No, it isn't. Is it a brown hen? No, it isn't. What color is this hen? Yes, it's black and white. Now, which is the small hen? Yes, the yellow hen is small. And which is the big hen? Yes, the black and white hen is big. But the three of them, 1, 2, and 3, are plum hens. Very, 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 very fat. Now, what animal is this? Yes, it's the fox. But the only part we can see are the paws. These are the paws. Can you see the paws? Yes, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 padding paws. The fox has got 4 padding paws. Very good. Now, look at the hens. What have they got? You know this word. How do you call this? Yes, they are called eggs. Let's count. How many eggs have they got? Let's see. Help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. 5 snug eggs. The hens are taking care of the eggs. Now, look at this. Is it daytime? No, it isn't. Is it late at night? Yes, it's late at night. Look at the moon. Can you see the moon? That shows us that it is the night and everything is dark. It's black. Now, all the animals are sleeping. So the fox has to be very, very careful when he walks. And he makes, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. But those have to be very Silent shh steps because all the animals are sleeping. Careful. Now the fox goes to the house where the hens are and he has to knock at the door 7 times. So he goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Tap, 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 tap. He waits. And when he goes in, he finds 8 beady eyes. Let's count the eyes. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eyes. These eyes belong to what animal? The hens or the fox? Yes, they belong to the fox. And these 6 eyes belong to what animal? The hens or the fox? They belong to the hens. When the hens see the fox, they start flying everywhere, and so we can see feathers everywhere. Look at the feathers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 feathers. 9 flying feathers everywhere. Look at the colors. What color is this feather? Yes, it's yellow. And what color is this feather? Yes, it's black. And what color is this feather? Yes, it's brown. So we can see feathers everywhere. Now, the fox is really hungry and he wants to eat the hens. But he has got sharp teeth to eat the hens. Let's count the number of teeth. 1, 2, 3. Are you helping me? Let's start again. Come on, help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and yes, 10. 10 sharp teeth. Very good. Now look at the hens. They are all flying everywhere. We can see hens everywhere. And all of a sudden, we can see 100 angry hens. Look, there are many hens, and they are all very angry with the fox. Now look here. What animal is this? Is this a hen? No, it isn't. What animal is it? Yes, it's the fox. And the fox is really frightened. Oh my God, he's really afraid of everything. So we can see one frightened fox. And this is the end of our story. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye, kinder students.